Hello you guys, and welcome back to my channel. Before we start, let me take this off. So I actually got this from the Wish app, so I will leave this down below, the link and everything. And today I just wanted to do this 90s vibe because I had this shirt sitting in my closet for a very long time. And I have this butterfly necklace that I just got from the Wish app too, and I was just like, you know what, let's just do a 90s look. Get ready with me because I have something later on today, but that is what the look is. It's very 90s and I think it's so cute. It's very easy, and I tested out a few new products that I'm actually really excited about. So if you want to know how to get this look, then continue on watching. To conceal, I'm using the e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer in Fair Warm, and I'm just going to take it on my eyelid. I really love this concealer because it's long wear. It lasts me 16 hours. And any eyeshadow that I put on it, it just totally brings out the colors and the saturation in it. Next, I'm going in this e.l.f. Eyeshadow palette. It is only $3, and I'm going to take the lightest shade. I love the saturation and the consistency of these shadows. It's amazing. Next, I'm going in the e.l.f. concealer, and I'm going to make a cut crease out of it. I'm going to start from the inner corner of my eyelid, and I'm going to take it around the loop of my eyelid, and this is going to make my eyelids big, but it's also going to help any eyeshadows that I want to pack on it, and it's going to look really cute. Next, we're going to go back in that $3 e.l.f. eyeshadow palette, and I'm going to take that copper eyeshadow and I'm going to put it right where I placed the concealer for the cut crease. And this is really just going to pull the look together. I absolutely love these foil eyeshadows in this palette, and I usually put that on the cut crease and I put my mattes around it. That's just how I like it, and it just totally looks cute in the end. Next, I'm taking that Jaclyin Hill palette, and I'm taking the purple and black matte shadows, and I'm going to put it in the outer corner of my cut crease, and this is just going to give a smoky effect. Going back in that palette, I'm taking the matte shade that you see right there, and I'm going to take it within my cut crease. Going back in the Jaclyin Hill palette, I'm taking that black matte shadow, and I'm going to use it as my eyeliner. I wanted my look to look soft. I didn't want it to look a little too sharp with a gel eyeliner or a water eyeliner. I wanted to use soft colors, all eyeshadows, and just make it look natural. Next, I'm going in this water to clean up my eyeliner and also to clean out any fallout eyeshadow. And I've been absolutely loving these lashes from BYF, and I absolutely love how they have a lash applicator along with a few lashes in one pack. I think it's super affordable. They sent it to me, and I really just do love these lashes. I like mink, I like feathery natural lashes, and they provide exactly that. So the link is going to be down below as to where to get it. And now I'm going in this Milani rosehip oil, and I absolutely love rosehip oil on my face before I even go in any makeup. It really just preps my skin. I already followed with moisturizer and everything else, but I do think oil should be in your makeup routine, so that's why I included in the video. Next, I'm going in this e.l.f. foundation, and I know I've been using this foundation for my past few videos, and I really do love it. It's very long wear, it's affordable, and it has a long foundation line, so any color that you need for your skin tone, it's gonna have your skin tone. Next, I'm going in my favorite concealer, back with the e.l.f., and I absolutely love how versatile this concealer is. You can use it for everything in your look, and now I'm just going to use it for the high points of my face and just to conceal and really just to brighten up my face. I really do like taking a very light shade of my skin tone instead of doing a more natural, just to look, you know, snatched. I really feel like these quarantine days, I feel like I want to look snatched even though I'm not going anywhere, or if I go somewhere locally, you know, your girl still wants to look good. You already know I use this all the time in all my videos. I absolutely love Coty Airspun. This is my favorite dupe for the Laura Mercier for your drugstore. It's amazing. It's translucent again, and it still has a little bit coverage if you feel like you need it, and it's just cheap. Now going in my favorite contour, I'm taking my Anastasia Beverly Hills contour kit, taking those two shades, and I'm just going to go ahead and carve out the cheekbones and the rest of my face. I always use this in every tutorial because I swear by it, and if I don't like it, I will not use a new one, so I'm just going to stick with this kit. Now I'm going in my Too Faced Cool Girl, and I absolutely love this shade, and I love this lipstick. It's super long where it does not transfer, and honestly I wear it every single day. If I could make a million lipsticks in this shade, I would, but I definitely did like it with this look and the whole 90s vibe. So again, if you did like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and also subscribe if you are new, because I love having new darlings to the family, and new videos every week, so I will see you in the next one.